All right, so what else do we have in that bag, guys?
A magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass is perfect, right? We have a magnifying glass that has a large side and a small lens. Small lens is going to show a larger magnification. What else?
One looks like a piece of porcelain.
Piece of porcelain. Piece of porcelain is exactly right. This piece of porcelain is called a streak plate. It comes in a couple of different shapes and sizes, so depending on what you have, it can be square, it can be a little bit gray, but generally they're going to look like this.
I don't know what this is.
Don't know what this is, right? This is a magnet, right? There's a couple of different types of magnets that you may have. It can be this colored one, it can be a black one. Usually they're little black discs or bars. This one happens to be one that you stick. Oh look, it doesn't stick. We're going to talk about why it doesn't stick and what mineral makes it not stick as we go. And what else we got?
Piece of glass.
Piece of glass, right? Glass plate. Another thing that takes a little bit of safety precaution, when we use the glass plate, we do not hold it in our hand because it's going to break and cut your hand up. Anytime you use a glass plate, you put it on the table and then scratch a mineral across it. Okay guys, so we've talked about these different pieces we have in here. In the next video, I'm going to ask you why we have these pieces.